Hello! So here I am in another bathroom, ready to get into some slight mischief yet again. And of course by mischief, I mean bleaching my hair. I'm actually really excited for this video and for this little hair transformation. It's honestly been a minute since I've felt really inspired to do anything much with my hair. I am in the process of growing it out. I've had it very short throughout the last handful of years, so I'm curious to see how I'll feel with it a bit longer. It's been a while since I've had it that way, so I definitely want to hold on to the length for now. But I and the rest of the world right now am completely enamored with Alyssa Liu. Her style obviously is super duper cool. If you've been following me for some time, you might remember when I did sort of a halo stripe. Angel ring hair is, I think, how I refer to it. I just did like a blue halo in the middle. And it was a fun look. I really liked it. But honestly, I didn't keep it around that long for whatever reason. But it is a style I like to go and look back on because I think it was really cool and fun for that time. But honestly, since seeing Alyssa's hair, I've really been drawn to the idea of bleach, which isn't something I typically feel because bleach scares me, but my hair's been kind of in this brown, black, red sort of color palette for a while now, and I'm craving something different. So my hair actually has layers of color on it right now. So I don't know how this is gonna lift at all. It could lift really pretty, it could be really, really bad. Luckily, I am prepared for either outcome. I think best case scenario, we do the bleach and it lifts in a cool color, maybe even blonde, but we'll see. That would be really optimistic. But worst case scenario, I do have several dyes here already. I think I have red, purple, and pink left over from the last few times I did my hair. But depending what this lifts to, we can always go out and get a different color to put on top. I think for the time being, I don't know if I'm bold enough to do stripes across my head right now. But I am thinking that I want to do sort of like a really classic 2010s dip dye sort of style. I'll show you my mood board here. But like I said, I want to continue to grow my hair out. I think I'm going to keep rocking with my bangs for a little bit and these sort of choppy layers I have going on right now. But I think it would be fun to just lift like most of this, and depending on how much product I have left over and how adventurous I'm feeling, maybe we'll do some of these side pieces and maybe like a little bit of my bangs. To start in preparation, of course, we have our bleach. I am going to be using the Manic Blue Lightning Super Strength Hair Lightning Kit. It's a 30 volume cream developer. I know box dyes can seem scary, but I've used this plenty of times. Usually goes relatively okay. We're just gonna keep it simple. Like I said, I don't plan on doing my whole head, so we don't need like a whole tub of bleach. I don't even plan on carrying the bleach to my roots. We're gonna do pretty much everything like leading up to that, starting with these bottom layers, and then we'll see like how far we work it up, just depending on how I'm feeling and again how much product is left over. I have plenty of bowls and brushes, lots of extra gloves, and I have some hair ties, hair clips. To start, I'm just gonna brush my hair and then start sectioning. I'm never too particular or perfectionist about my hair. I personally like something that feels a bit handmade, a little messy, and not so prim and proper. I'm kind of looking for a lived-in tie-dye effect. So I think regardless of how this goes, I feel like we're gonna be able to achieve this vision. So I kind of just split my hair in half. I took a little bit more up top, maybe like 60-40 ratio wise. And I think I might clip these front pieces up just so I don't accidentally get bleach on them. Those front sections of your hair are often the most fragile, so really you want to be putting bleach on those last. Okay, so I think that looks pretty good. And I'm debating if it's worth splitting this in half. Now I'm going to split this layer. I'm going to start with this here. I don't remember if I mentioned I had foil or not. Foil is usually tricky for me. I can never get it to stay right. We might give that a try. If not, I'm thinking of even like kind of fixing a plastic bag to my head somehow and covering it up. I could probably just pin it to the top of my roots, so we'll see. So now we are going to mix the bleach, but of course I'm going to put gloves on first. Oh, this actually comes with a hair cap. Perfect. And with bleach, it typically should be a yogurty consistency. You don't want it to be too solid or dense, but you don't want it to be super runny either. We're a little bit runny, but pretty good. I also forgot to mention I have a mirror set up here and I have mirrors behind me here. You always want to make sure you have two mirrors so you can see the back of your head and what you're doing. So to start, I'm just gonna start painting on my ends. Like I said, I don't want to take this dye up to my roots. I think I want to add this side now. Okay, now I have sort of like a template, so I'm going to add more bleach. Okay, I think I'm satisfied with that for now. We're going to try some foil. I'm going to resection my hair now, and I'm gonna just change colors while I do that. Like I said, I'm aiming for this sort of dip-dyed, tie-dyed effect. So I'm hoping that we get a fun layer of colors. Okay, same thing. I want to keep these front pieces out, but I'm just going to keep them like this for now. I'm just making sure it's a pretty even separation there. So now I think I'm going to put some more gloves on and do the same thing to this layer now. Now the bleach has settled a little bit and it's a much better consistency. So it might help to let it just set for a couple minutes. Kind of rushed into it. The good news is I still have a lot of product, so I might even take it out of this foil and just like apply as much as I can on the ends there. Okay, that section is covered fairly well. So I think I'm going to take this out of the foil actually. And I kind of want to see how this matches up. Also, I definitely should have put a towel on my shoulders. But I don't want to block them, like my skin is super sensitive, so I'll be fine though after a shower. See, it's starting to lift there now too. Uh-oh. Hey, that's the first glob of dye I dropped, so fuck it. I'm just gonna take this up a bit. Just making sure I'm satisfied with this before I move on. I did get it slightly up to my roots, but that's okay. I think I'm gonna start to put my ends in a little bit now. Oh, okay, that was a lot of dye that I just dropped. Now I'm going to remove the rest of my hair. I'm just kind of seeing where the brunette falls on the dye. I think I definitely want to do my ends here. Oh yeah, you can definitely tell that it's lifting. And I'm just kind of lightly going in with my fingertips to make the transition of color slightly more organic looking. For now though, I'm gonna ditch the foil on the bottom, I think, and just go with this. Making sure all my hair is in there. So I tucked in all that bleached hair. My neck is super itchy though, so I am gonna wash myself off real quick. And then I'm gonna quickly use what's left of the bleach to do just like a little something here. So much better already. Now it's time to finish up this hair. Oh gosh, I'm so nervous. Maybe I should bring in a little bit more hair here. Doesn't have to be perfect. We're just having fun. Okay, I am gonna try to foil these. I think maybe it would be better to put it in one piece. And I'm trying not to lay hair on top of each other. Okay, and now we just wait no longer than 15 minutes. My hair is dark, it's thick. I already have color on top of it, so we're gonna really want to push the time on this as far as we can. But I'm gonna check it periodically just to make sure my hair's not melting off my head. It hasn't happened yet, so I think it should be good. So I will check back in with you guys once this bleach is finished processing and I've washed it out of my hair. Oh, wish me luck. So far I think it's looking really cool. We are just about ready to wash things out and it is lifted quite a lot. I'm very pleasantly surprised. All the dyes I have would definitely work with this palette that it's lifted to if I do decide to cover it up, but now it's time to rinse this off. So here it is after bleaching. And I'm actually pretty satisfied with this right now. I definitely should have timed my bangs the same as these front pieces here. I think had I done that, it would all be the same shade of blonde. But I'm kind of okay with this, mistake, because I think these copper tones versus this sort of like golden blonde color, I think is really fun. And I haven't done my hair up in like my more natural texture, I guess, in a while. So I did put some curl products in and blow dry and used a bit of like heatless curl cream and kind of just styled it with my fingers. But I think this color combo with the volume is really fun. So maybe this will encourage me to wear my hair wavy more. I'm definitely curious to see what it would look like straight though. But this is definitely like a fun, lighthearted change that I needed. I want to sit with this color for a little bit before moving on because I'm really not sure what direction I want to take it in quite yet. For now, I think this is fun and wearable. I don't think it looks a complete mess, like it looks somewhat intentional. So I'm gonna rock this for a little bit. But as far as dye that I already have, I have red, purple, pink. So those are some options to throw on top to make the color more like cohesive and uniform. And then these colors will more closely match. I was thinking orange could be fun too, like something super bright. So let me know what you think because I'm not sure yet. I've always been curious to try yellow too. I think that's one of the few colors I haven't done, which maybe down here could pick up. I'm not so sure about my bangs though. And I could also go for an array of colors as well. But before I commit, I think I'm just gonna hang with this and play around with it because honestly, I don't think I've ever done like a raw bleach moment, at least as an adult. I did go blonde for a little bit, but that's definitely different than this, So I think it's very cool, very indie sleaze. I think I accomplished the vibe I was going for. I think it makes my eyes pop. And for me, just doing this color today, I think it looks pretty good. So we'll see how it settles and everything. But if you watched this entire video, thank you so much. Liking, commenting, sharing, subscribing, all that stuff really helps out the channel. And thank you all so much for 25,000 subscribers. Holy shit. But thank you from the bottom of my heart for all of the support. So with all that said, I hope you have a lovely rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!